Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you all safety system installed in this car. Except all standard safety systems like lane assist, speed limiter, cruise control. This car is also equipped with child lock for windows, DPF Regenerator, and quick instrument cluster maintenance. Here you can find tire info, formatic info, energy consumption, transmission oil temperature, and water temperature. In the center of the car, we can find quick drive mode switch and drive shaft switch. The car is equipped with start-stop system, hill descent control, traction control, and also blind rear side view. Let's go back to the main menu, where you can go to settings, and here you can manage driving power steering mode. You can enable fatigue driving reminder, change driving mode, and adjust it. The car is also equipped with 2 rear ISOFIX latches and multiple airbags. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.